so let's get started.
Better keep my eyes wide open. There's so much that I don't know. Just another hotel.
Glue, borax or laundry detergent. This is powdered laundry detergent. A mixing bowl, something to mix with, and water. So let's get on to the video. We're gonna be making yellow, so we're gonna add our food dye. We're gonna do about 1 big drop and two small drops, 3 total, and a bit of luster dust that we found. So yeah, it's really glittery. Even though mix it, so let's see what color it turns out. This is probably gonna be like a pea yellow. Okay, so we got this pretty yellow color. Now you're gonna add a little bit of water. Not that much, not much. And mix that up. And now you're gonna mix borax and this borax, which is powdered laundry detergent, and water together. And as you can see, you're gonna do it till it dissolves, and it has to be warm water. So we have warm water here. Sorry about that interruption. The freaking phone's ringing. Answer it. So yeah, here's our borax water. So now we just have to add some in and stir, add it in, stir. I'm gonna see if I can multitask, because you have to add it in. You have to add it in while you're mixing. So I'm gonna get a spoonful of it. Okay, trying to get as much as possible. And I'm gonna quickly stir it as I add in the water, the borax water. And you can also use laundry detergent, except you won't need water. So yeah. We're just gonna keep adding it in until it's slimy enough. So now we are going to come back when it's finally looking really well, and you can play with it for a while when it's not too sticky. And keep adding this, and yeah, we'll see you when we get back. So this is the finished product. And by the way, guys, when you finish with it, it's really sticky and stuff. Yeah. Just keep the borax water, keep using it, and like put it in the bowl and then roll it around. Just roll the slime around in it, and then like stretch it, play with it, and then it'll get what it looks like this. We made a purple one earlier. It was really pretty. I'm gonna make my own, and it's like this really, really, really dark, ugly pink color. I hate pink. Sometimes I want to just do this for fun, because you know, who doesn't love slime? Some people think it's gross, but I think it's excellent. So yeah. Hope you guys tune in for next week's video, where Miley will be
singing.
Something fun. Maybe singing,
acting.
She'll be doing something else.
Think about my granddad's eyes, and they always send me home.